Welcome to Harvesting Power Tech, whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting. Out on your logging journey, you will be amazed by the advanced power of these modern machines. These machines are changing the forestry industry. Prepare to be blown away by their incredible power. If you're looking for a clean job, logging may not be for you, nor for me. Only the rugged, mud-covered TD55 snowmobiles could navigate these rugged forest paths with them. Over time, it evolved into more than just a machine. It became a silent companion, sharing the burden of the driver as they traversed the challenging forest paths together. These ancient giants not only contain power, but also a piece of history and ecology. Each saw requires not only skillful technique, but also the protection of nature, following strict regulations too. Ensure that their existence does not stop at the past, but also contributes to the protection of the future. Ever wondered how pallets can vanish in seconds? Watch as the Peterson 5710C grinder displays its incredible power, turning wood into dust faster than you can blink. Ready to see this beast in action? The Cat D8T is taking on a giant tree stump, and it's not breaking a sweat. The 354 horsepower engine is a monster and smashes the tree like nothing. You can watch the Cat D8T destroy like in the car wrecking race, but with trees. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. To support our creativity, each like and subscribe is a great motivation for us to continue sharing more interesting and creative videos. Thank you very much, everyone. Moving a giant hinoki tree slow and steady, only missing the rumble of the logs on the road. This is a process that shows respect for the value of the rare wood, and each participant must contribute their best to ensure the safety of all. Cutting a giant Yoshino block, this is not sawing wood, but a tense performance on a large stage. Every member of the workshop must coordinate well, from the saw operator to the person adjusting the position of the block. To ensure the cutting is smooth and safe, a small mistake can also cause damage to the wood or endanger the worker. It's a really expensive lesson for anyone. Who wants to do this job without proper preparation? Castores is a giraffe with a neck as long as a telephone cord, and a tongue as long as a scythe, ready to handle any weed within reach. He doesn't need a helmet, because no one dares stand near him while he cleans the garden. It's like he's participating in a world's fastest weeding contest. Well, let's see what we have here at LKT like. A purebred American muscle horse stuck in the mud end. A car as powerful as smoke, a name as cool as its owner. Let's see how they got out of this mess. When you think pushing a large log is easy, imagine trying to drag a giant boulder over a steep slope. It is a challenging job and not for the impatient. This is the saw for those who are not afraid of breaking their teeth when cutting a tree with the V8 engine. You will definitely feel like you are fighting a battle between man and the tree will lose, inevitably. if you want to clear everything off the ground. The Raptor 500 will be the perfect companion. Not only does it have tremendous power, it also brings optimal efficiency, making the operator feel them. Job becomes easier and more enjoyable. Raptor 500, a true monster in the world of tree crushing. Check this out, the Somo Warrior is like sending a ninja to a lumberjack convention. This machine devours logs faster than you can imagine. Watch it in action. It chews through wood with an intensity that would put even the hungriest bear to shame. This beast brings unparalleled speed and power to every cut, making it easy to chop down even the toughest logs. This driver is very familiar with the bumpy forest roads and is ready to face any challenges that nature brings. The muddy road is no problem for him. The car is like driving on a smooth road with confidence. This is a prime example of why proper felling technique is important, no matter how experienced you are. Luck is not always on your side, and no one can predict what will happen. One wrong fall can turn everything into a disaster. It is not an easy scene, but it is also full of courage and determination when having to transport heavy timber through dusty roads. This is a job that requires the driver not only to have solid driving skills, but also to be patient and mentally prepared to overcome all obstacles. When the engine roars, the entire forest seems to shake. The power of the Husqvarna 3120 with 32-inch saw blade not only conquers wood, but also empowers the driver, built for the toughest jobs. This saw not only cuts, but also rips everything in its path. Imagine a large iron chain dragging across the ground, pulling up small bushes and weeds in its path. Pulling them all together as it moves, start with 2 bulldozers, each attached to one end of the chain. They move in opposite directions, pulling the chain along. Wherever it goes, it uproots bushes, and even thicker trees are easily taken down. It was amazing to witness a spectacular battle between technology and nature. The Stihl MS-880 A powerful chainsaw with a 150 centimeters long blade fought a giant oak log. This was not just a confrontation between machines and trees. When the saw blade began to rise, the giant oak could only silently give way. Oh, it feels like a scripted, but who knows what will happen action movie. With a bridge like that, the truck can do everything, except cross without collapsing. Listen to the sound of the John Deere 1-7OG, it is captivating. Every cut is precise and smooth, greatly improving logging efficiency. With the CH9 boom that can extend up to 11 meters, this machine can handle trees from a long distance, allowing the operator to make the most of every minute on the job. Crush everything, leave nothing behind. The name says it all. Christian supper is made in Germany. From branches, tree trunks to leaves, everything goes into the machine and turns into dust. Who wouldn't like that? Never underestimate the element of chance. Even when you are best prepared, a falling tree is more than an action. It is a powerful force, and respecting its unpredictability is the key to safety and success. When working with nature, remember, you may have the perfect plan, but Mother Nature always has her own way. The Logasol Farmer's M8 is the ideal wood cutter for anyone who works in crafting, construction, or needs to cut wood in small, hard-to-reach areas with a compact, powerful, and easy-to-use design. It offers convenience and efficiency without tiring you out. This is a great tool for those who love manual work. Operating heavy machinery in unstable environments requires a high level of attention and excellent situational awareness. Incidents like this remind us of the importance of following safety rules and always being careful when handling heavy loads. If you think splitting wood is hard work, then you haven't tried Narva H60. This machine splits large wood as if snapping your fingers. With a sturdy steel frame, the machine can withstand heavy loads without hesitation, processing wood into compact pieces, easy to transport and arrange. A 600-year-old giant tree. What a journey! For brave tree hunters, there will definitely be memorable moments. The saws roar, the tree falls with a loud crash. Just looking at it, you can smell the fragrant wood. You will definitely feel like you are taking part in a sports challenge. With this MAN TGS 40 wooden truck, even with a powerful truck, situations like this can always make you crazy. The vehicle also needs the coordination of the team and the help of support vehicles such as tractors to overcome particularly difficult slopes. What can't the WB2000 cut? It's probably just ... this machine is resting. If you give this machine a big piece of wood, it will cut it into beautiful pieces without resting. It's probably only when it runs out of gas or electricity that it stops. When faced with oversized trees, this job requires the craftsman's exquisite skills. Holding a chainsaw, he does not hesitate, regardless of the size of the tree. He is like an artist in the forest, facing harsh nature with calmness and strength, turning each challenge into a remarkable achievement. Very simple and uncomplicated, and ideal wood. Splitter for those looking for simplicity and efficiency in their work. The right tool in the right hands can make all the difference. Take the Balek in the hands of the right person. It becomes an extension of the writer's will, a testament to the power of experience and expertise. Just look at this guy, expertly wielding the saw, hunting the wood with strength and confidence. This is not a weekend entertainer, this is a true professional. So when faced with nature, sometimes you have to take a step back and respect its space. The Dozer D6T is not just a bulldozer, but a destructive force on all terrains. With its superior power and impressive durability, it is a great assistant for all tree dozing, land leveling, and terrain clearing tasks. Truly a fighting machine in the world of construction and forestry. For Punaniskin, splitting wood is just a matter of warming up. This splitter is never afraid of any tree trunk, because splitting wood is just a gentle warm-up. Wow. This is the WM100, a true powerhouse in the sawmilling industry. Built to tackle enormous logs up to 67 inches in diameter, with its rugged construction and precision cutting capabilities. This behemoth can transform even the largest hardwoods into perfectly milled timber. It's designed for heavy-duty jobs, making it an essential tool for handling massive logs with ease and efficiency. These giant cedars have now met their fate, with years of professional skill and teamwork. Watch as he brings down these giant trees with the precision of a surgeon, but much more impressive. Thanks everyone for joining us. We hope you were intrigued by these innovations, and don't forget to share your thoughts with us. If this video impressed you, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any exciting content coming your way. See you next time.